Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up this laptop without using a Microsoft account. So first of all, if you have reached the Wi-Fi connection step, then do not connect to the Wi-Fi, and if you are already connected to some network, then either turn off the router if you have access to it, and if you don't, then simply reach the place, the area where the signal of the router is undiscoverable. So and then proceed with the following steps. So the first thing that you have to do is press Shift and F10 buttons at the same time. Then click on this window to select it, and inside this window you have to input the command OOBE /bypassNRO. So once you enter OOBE /bypassNRO, press enter and wait until your device restarts. Once your laptop is restarted, you can proceed with the setup. So first select the language you want to perform setup in. Then select the right country or region from the list and click yes to continue. On the following page, select the keyboard layout that fits you, then click yes. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout next to skip option. If you want to skip, then press it. Then, instead of connecting to a network, select I don't have internet option next to the next option. Then select continue with limited setup. Then review and accept the license agreement to continue. Then enter your username and press next. Then you can create a password for your account, but you don't have to do that. Instead, you can simply click next, but if you really want to set up a password for yourself, you can do that now. Now choose some privacy settings for your device. I usually go with location and Find My Device switch to yes, because location lets you use location-based experiences, and Find My Device feature lets you easily find your device in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data sends your info about basically sends info about the websites you used and apps you used and features, and basically all the information about you to the Microsoft for research. So you can either switch it on or off. I usually switch it off. Inking and typing is the same thing, but about more about your keyboard usage. Tailored experiences is basically the feature to personalize ads for you based on your experience. So I usually switch these last three to no, and only go with location and Find My Device enabled. But you can choose for yourself, of course. And once you're content with your choice, click accept and then wait. Oh, of course, you can register and protect your laptop using HP features, but you don't have to do this, and you can simply select your country or region and click next to proceed. You can also select some HP features which you can get to know with yourself, and once you select the ones that you need, you can click next, and then the installation process will be finished. So let's wait a while. And at this point the setup process is complete, so If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.